The extent and level of technical production facilities can vary greatly from venue to venue, so probably one of the most important questions that a client should be asking a venue is, what is included in my technical package? A venue's AV capabilities aren't something that a client should overlook when organising an event. When attending an event, delegates are expecting a high standard in presentation and production equipment. Using high quality AV equipment and expertise is going to showcase your conference material at its best, and it will offer a better, more engaging experience for your delegates. Quite often venues are blank canvases and clients can struggle to work out how they're going to best use that space within the confines of their budget. We use a 3D render software called WYSIWYG, which stands for What You See is What You Get, and this gives clients a real grasp and understanding of what their event will look like. Clients should definitely consider asking a venue, do they offer a 3D render service to help realise their event vision. Some venues can also accommodate clients bringing in their own equipment, but this isn't guaranteed and should be checked out in advance. It's important to know just how flexible a venue is in this regard prior to making your booking, so you can make an informed decision that's right for your event.